Today I'll walk you through how to add fiscal year and period columns to your date table in Power BI, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to enhance your date table with these essential columns so you can streamline your financial reporting. First, let's open your Power BI dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, and it's the starting point for our task today. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the steps will still be the same. Next, we need to access the Power Query Editor. To do this, click on the Transform Data option located on the Home tab. This will open a new window where we can make the necessary adjustments to our date table. Now, let's select your date table from the list of available tables. Once you've done that, navigate to the Add Column tab at the top of the screen. Here you'll see an option for Custom Column. Click on that to create a new column for our fiscal year, NINS. In the Custom Column dialog, we will input some M code to calculate the fiscal year. Assuming your fiscal year starts in July, you can use the following code. NINS. If date but month NINS is greater than or equal to 7, then date. Year plus 1, else date.year.ets. This formula checks the month of each date and adjusts the year accordingly. It's like setting a new calendar for your business year. Next, we'll create another custom column for the fiscal period. Again, click on Custom Column and enter the following M code, .ets. If date but month is greater than or equal to 7, then date but month bist minus 6, else date but month bist plus 6. This will give you the correct fiscal month based on your July start. Next, once you've created both columns, it's important to ensure they are formatted correctly. Change the data types of both the fiscal year and fiscal period columns to whole number. This will help Power BI recognize these values properly for analysis. Finally, click on Close and Apply to save your changes and return to the main Power BI interface. Your date table is now enhanced with fiscal year and period columns, making your financial data analysis much more efficient. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.